This is Paradise Found. This was a couple of buildings this morning and bookstore and I don't know, something else. But today they're tearing the whole place down. They got two cranes working at this. My goodness. They got a guy with a hose over there just in case there's a fire that starts. Wow. Yeah, this whole thing, just in one day. That's the last corner spot that's standing. Yeah, this is Paradise Found in Wisconsin Rapids. You can see the other side of the street. Storefronts. You got the street blocked off right over there. No access. Park right next to it. And I'm not sure what they're going to do here. But my goodness. Look at all the bricks here. Look at, I mean, it's just piles of rubble. Let's see if I can get a better angle for you. Yeah, this is part of the old downtown area here in Wisconsin Rapids. You can see. Wow, I had no idea this was happening. Looks like there's a basement, one of the building basements over here. Steel girders. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's two of them working on that. Here it comes, here it comes. See, they got the hose there. Wow, they're working together. Yeah, but see, they're trying to keep it contained here because the fence is very close on the other side. I'll tell you what though, the street's closed off on the other side anyway, so shouldn't be anybody over there. Yeah, this is crazy. I didn't know this was happening. And I came driving through. All of this came down today. Well, I found this interesting. I hope you did too. This is Paradise Found. Over and out.